bracket off. That's the issue. Okay. What's good, YouTube? It's early. I'm out here in Infinity of Gwinnett, and I just had to pick up some parts. First of all, Q60's crazy. Let me show you what I got real quick. You know, still got the steering wheel popping, but this gotta go. It's just kind of old, crummy looking. So what we got, the new guy. You got that new one. So we're gonna get that new one on it, have it looking way better than how it looks now. I'll let y'all know and give you the update with what I have to do. I feel like I'm gonna have to make some modifications or either take this whole thing off. And I'll show you why. I can get it on there, I can do my gears, everything works, it's fine. But let's see if I can show you that. The boot doesn't come up, but I bought the boot. So I'm either gonna take this dash loose, put the new gear shifter on. Okay, so I ended up using my little makeshift screwdriver, getting those 4 screws out that everybody talks about. You know, 1, 2, one up here, and 4. Took those out, and now I'm hoping that yep, it does. It just comes on up. What I'm doing. Okay. That around there. It was like this was around this little loop. Now I got the boot off. Okay. And now we got the new boot. Right here from Infinity. Got the new boot. So now I guess they say we gotta take this plastic from around it off. Damn, am I drinking? Excuse me, there's got plastic around it. Take that off. It's the old boot, new boot. It's definitely not. Definitely not the best tutorial video, but let's see how it's gotta go. I'll get right back at you. Okay, so I got that one completely out. I got this one, it's just sitting up there. And now what I want to do, I have to take that reverse part. I have to take that little thing off. Take this boot off the bracket down there. Take the staples out of there. I got a little flat head, like a broke flat head. I'm gonna use to get those staples out and get this bracket off. That's the issue. Okay, I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so we are at the point where we're taking the staples, which are like right there, taking the staples off of the new boot. I want to show y'all this. It's real easy. What you want to do, find that staple, put your screwdriver right there up under it. Look. What I was doing is kind of twisting a little bit, and boom, it pop right up. You can get all your staples out like that. They're not hard to get out. It's just hard to show it on camera, but like I said, I was just putting it in there, twisting a little bit. I mean, that leather, you can basically get up under that leather, make it pop anyway. Boom, like that. Let's pop this one in the corner. So, that's a little quick video of that part. You get all these out and put this onto that boot and get right. Okay, so that wasn't hard at all, man. I popped all the staples off. Now we got the boot. I haven't fitted it on or cut anything, done anything yet, because I have to now take off the leather from around these clamps. For this boot, so I can use this, I have to use this to put the new boot on. So let me get this. You know, you'll see all the little pockets. Oh, I was weighing it down, so I couldn't get the pockets. Get to the what I need to do. Oh, look, voila! This is what we needed. It's the old boot. That's the new boot. Got to put the new boot on this. I'll be right back. Gotta give you a quick sneak peek at how it turned out. Of course, my boot will be a little down when I want to show you, but now it's just straight. So it ended up pretty straight, people. Hold up. That thing do shift mighty beautifully. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know what I mean? Tell them boys ain't the only one with low miles. Stop playing with me. Yes, sir. With pedal shifters, IPL, square bottom. Yes, sir. New gear shift, red seats. Yes, sir. I just want to show y'all how it turned out, man. Turned out beautiful if you ask me. I like it. You know, some people said theirs kind of tight. Some people said theirs kind of loose. Mine ended up being just right. Yes, sir. I like how it looked. I love the way it looked compared to the old, like the old style. So Tesla signing out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.